Let's do and see how fast we can do a blocking. We're basically tracing. Tracing is a bad word for a lot of people, but when we have a deadline to meet and we have, say, 400 panels in total to deliver in a couple of weeks, we gotta get this done. Just basic blocks, strikes for the hair, like this. Bit messy. Remember, he is running and he is going towards the action. I don't want the detail of what he's wearing of this tactical outfit, right? I just want to establish the neckline. I want to establish the shoulder blade. I want to establish the shoulder, the biceps, right? I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go the forearm here, and I'm going to block out the thumbs and like that. We're just going to, it's not perfect. It's not supposed to be. It's a quick sketch, right? So I'm going to put in that he's possibly got like a grenade or whatever this is, right? A device that's beeping. I'm just going to build the story up that way. The Tom is doing this and establish some of the things.